Tired of spending countless hours on repetitive tasks that drain your energy and stifle your productivity? Well, get ready to unlock a world of effortless efficiency, because in this video, we're diving into the power of Zapier and how it can revolutionize the way you work. First, head over to Zapier.com to create your free account if you haven't already. Zapier acts as a bridge, connecting your favorite apps and automating workflows between them. Think of it as your digital assistant, tirelessly working behind the scenes. The heart of Zapier lies in what it calls a Zap, which is an automated workflow. A Zap consists of a trigger, which is an event in one app that starts the workflow, and one or more actions, which are tasks that Zapier automatically performs in other apps based on the trigger. For example, let's say you want to automatically save new email attachments from Gmail to a Google Sheet. Gmail will be your trigger app, and Google Sheets will be your action app when a new email arrives with an attachment in Gmail. That's the trigger. Zapier will then automatically save that attachment to your specified Google Sheet. To create a Zap, click on Create Zap and select your trigger app, such as Gmail. Then, choose the trigger event, in this case, new attachment. Next, connect your Gmail account to Zapier. After that, select your action app. Like Google Sheets, choose the action event, such as Create Spreadsheet Row, and connect your Google Sheets account. Specify which spreadsheet and sheet you want to use. Now, map the data from your Gmail attachment, like the file name and attachment content, to the corresponding columns in your Google Sheet. This tells Zapier where to put the information. Once you've mapped the data, test your Zap to make sure everything is working correctly. If all looks good, turn on your Zap and watch the magic happen. Zapier will now automatically save new attachments to your Google Sheet, freeing you up to focus on more important tasks. With Zapier, you can connect thousands of apps and automate countless workflows, saving you time, reducing errors, and boosting your overall productivity. Explore Zapier's potential and start automating your work today.